Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find the center of symmetry. First, understand that a center of symmetry is a central point within a figure. Every point on the figure has a corresponding point directly opposite it, with the center of symmetry acting as the midpoint of the line segment connecting them. This concept applies to both two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional objects, revealing a fundamental aspect of their geometric structure. To find the center of symmetry in two-dimensional shapes, consider their properties. For regular polygons like squares or hexagons, the center of symmetry is simply their geometric center. In a circle, it's the very center point. For shapes such as rectangles or parallelograms, you can find this point by drawing the diagonals. Their intersection marks the center of symmetry. This method provides a straightforward way to locate the point of inversion. Moving to three-dimensional objects, the principle remains similar. For a sphere, its center of symmetry is its exact geometric center. In the case of cubes and cuboids, you can locate this point by finding the intersection of their space diagonals, which connect opposite vertices. This central point is crucial for understanding the object's overall balance and how its parts relate to each other through inversion. Understanding the center of symmetry has practical applications across various disciplines. In crystallography, it helps classify crystal structures, impacting material science. Artists and designers use symmetry to create balanced and aesthetically pleasing compositions. Engineers apply these principles for stable and efficient designs. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Mastering this concept enhances your geometric intuition and problem-solving skills.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.